Limit is y goes to negative 4 of 3 minus the square root of 5 minus y over y plus 4. The first thing we're going to do is try plugging in a negative 4 for each of the y's. So we'll have 3 minus the square root of 5 minus a negative 4 divided by negative 4 plus 4. In the numerator, this will be 3 minus the square root of 5 plus 4 over negative 4 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, so we have the square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is 3, so we have 3 minus 3 over negative 4 plus 4, which comes out to 0 over 0. We have the 0 over 0 indeterminate form. We will need to rework this since we have a root combination, a root involving the variable y in some way, added or subtracted together with at least one other term. That's happening here in the numerator. We're going to try the root combination method. Limit as y goes to negative 4 of 3 minus the square root of 5 minus y over y plus 4. There's our original limit. We're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the root combination. The conjugate is the same two terms in the root combination, but opposite sign between them. That will be a plus sign between them for this problem. We're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by that root conjugate, a form of 1, so we do not change the value. Just a look of the expression here. And now we're going to FOIL out the conjugate pairs. Those are in the numerator, here and here. Only FOIL those out. First, 3 times 3, that's 9. Outside, 3 times the square root of 5 minus y. Inside, negative 3 times the square root of 5 minus y. And last, negative square root of 5 minus y times a positive square root of 5 minus y will be a negative of 5 minus y. Make sure to put the 5 minus y in parentheses. We need to distribute that negative sign. That negative sign resulted from this negative and this positive multiplying each other, and it will distribute in the entire expression. The outside and inside terms of a root conjugate pair after FOILing will always cancel. Equal value, opposite sign. In the denominator, we will not FOIL out the non-root conjugate pairs. We're going to leave those exactly as is. Now our next step, we're going to distribute the minus sign. In the numerator, we have 9 and then minus 5. And then distributing the minus onto the y, it will make it become a plus y over the denominator of y plus 4 and 3 plus the square root of 5 minus y. In the numerator, we will be able to combine the 9 and the minus 5 into becoming a 4. And then the denominator once again will be left alone. So we'll write it just as is. Okay, at this point we've completed the root conjugate multiplication. We haven't removed the 0 over 0 indeterminate form just yet. We're looking for factors of y plus 4 in the numerator and denominator since y is going to a negative 4 to be able to cancel. And we actually have them already. The order of addition doesn't matter, so those are identical. They will cancel, leaving a 1 in the numerator. So we will now have limit as y goes to negative 4 of 1 divided by 3 plus the square root of 5 minus y. We can now try plugging the negative 4 in for y. We should no longer have the 0 over 0 indeterminate form. and we will get 1 over 3 plus the square root of 5 minus a negative 4. That will be 1 over 3 plus the square root of 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 will become a 9. So 1 over 3 plus the square root of 9. Square root of 9 is a 3. So 1 over 3 plus 3, or 1 over 6.